What if I told you the world's most powerful gaming mini PC isn't made by Asus anymore? Meet the Thunderobot Mix G2, an RTX 5090 powered beast that just rewrote the mini PC rulebook. Today, we're diving into how the new Thunderobot Mix G2 stacks up against the 2025 ROG NUC and why this newcomer might be the most disruptive mini PC launch of the year. Asus's ROG NUC 2025 set a high bar with Intel's Core Ultra processors and Nvidia's RTX 5080 laptop GPU. A compact 2.5-liter design, premium build, and the performance to match. Until now. Thunderobot's Mix G2 pushes the envelope further. Inside its 3.2-liter frame lies hardware usually reserved for full-sized gaming laptops or even desktops. Let's talk specs. At the top configuration, the G2 ships with Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX and, more impressively, Nvidia's RTX 5090 laptop GPU. That's a big leap over the ROG NUC's top-tier RTX 5080. Thunderobot claims about a 17% bump in actual gameplay performance, an enormous difference in a category this small. Memory options go up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, with 1 terabyte of fast NVMe storage included, depending on the model. Cooling is supposed to be a major focus of this design, capable of feeding the GPU up to a massive 175 watts, almost unheard of for a mini PC. Total system power, around 295 watts, and yes, they claim it stays cool. All this muscle does make it slightly bigger than the ROG NUC, 332 by 212 by 45 millimeters. Still compact, but built for airflow. Connectivity is equally modern, with Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and plenty of front and rear ports for peripherals and monitors. Thunderobot is launching 3 configurations in China. The entry model starts at 14,999 yuan, about $2,108, with a Core Ultra 7 and RTX 5070 Ti. The mid-range model upgrades to the Core Ultra 9 and an RTX 5080 for around $2,670. And the flagship RTX 5090 version comes in at 24,999 yuan, or roughly $3,513. For now, the Mix G2 is exclusive to China, with no international release date announced. But given its specs and the buzz, it's only a matter of time before global markets demand a closer look. So is the Thunderobot Mix G2 the new mini PC performance champion? On paper, absolutely. With the RTX 5090, aggressive pricing, and high-capacity cooling, it's a genuine threat to Asus's dominance in the compact gaming market. If you want more deep dives on cutting-edge gaming hardware, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and tell us, would you pick the Mix G2 over the ROG NUC?